What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be introducing a new series on my channel called MacBook Flip or Flop. And basically what I intend to do with these videos is show you guys some examples of MacBook Pro 4 parts listings, and we are going to go through them and examine whether or not they are worth buying. So this series is also going to be kind of fun. I hope to find some absolutely outrageous and ridiculous MacBooks so that you guys can laugh along with me as we see the kind of stuff that people try to list on eBay. And I hope and encourage you guys to go on over to my subreddit and submit any eBay listings that you find that you want me to take a look at. I will be making a ton of these videos, so anything that you send me, as long as it's interesting, I will make a video on it. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this late 2013 15-inch Retina MacBook Pro. So, the first thing that I'm noticing is that's not a correct and normal shape for this computer to be in. So, already we're off to a bit of a rocky start. But let's take a look at the listing title. So, it's a 15-inch, 2 GHz i7, 8GB, 256. That's the base model. So this is really at best an $800 laptop. I really don't see these going for any more than that. So $500. That's already pretty close to what we would be able to get for this laptop. And I can go out on a limb and say that we are going to need some parts for this. So let's take a look at the photos. Okay, so whoa. Jeez. Okay. Well, actually, I've now noticed, take a look at that. We do have a little bit of, we can see something on the screen. That looks like, weirdly, that's the top bar that's on the bottom right. Okay. So, not a great start. We're gonna need a new display. We're gonna need a new top case. Oh, people. New bottom case, obviously. Honestly, I'm very impressed that this thing works because take a look at that angle there. You can tell already that the logic board is bent. Hopefully the logic board will even be able to fit into another case. It does seem to work. The keyboard is probably pretty messed up. Yeah, it looks... Oh god. That kind of an angle is absolutely terrifying. Let's see if they have any shots with the bottom taken off. My goodness, the case of this is completely mangled. This is absolutely devastated. So, the first thing that I would say is $500, no way, Jose. That's definitely going to be a flop. It does have a best offer option because really, realistically, I suppose you could use the board and the SSD, assuming that they aren't bent beyond repair. So, let's see here. Screen is broken, housing is bent. Okay, so everything on the inside works fine. So I suppose what you could do is, if you have a MacBook Pro with a dead board, you could take the board from this computer and put it in. But at $500, that's definitely gonna be a flop. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm planning on making a lot of these really short videos, so stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.